In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see saved passwords in Google account. So I'm gonna show you both ways on how you can do that on your computer and how you can do that on your mobile device. So let's start with your computer. So you're gonna have to simply open Google and then simply make sure that you're connected to your Google account and click on your profile picture and then simply click on manage your Google account. Then you're gonna get redirected to this page where you're gonna have to simply go to security and then here you're gonna have to scroll down and then you're gonna have to simply click on password manager. And as you can see, I haven't saved any passwords in my Google account, but if you do that, you're gonna find here all the passwords. Now it's gonna be the same thing on mobile. So now right now I'm using Gmail, but you can use any other Google apps. And then you're gonna have to simply tap on your profile picture, then simply tap on Google account, and then here you're gonna have to simply swipe and then tap on security. Now here you're gonna have to scroll down again and then simply tap on password manager right here, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.